What's going on, y'all? Check it out. We doing chicken wings today. Sous vide. Oh my goodness, sous vide. And they gonna be so tasty. Something that you haven't seen yet. But anyway, let's get it.
And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty.
So of course, first thing we gotta do, get our chicken on that chopping block. Cause you know how I do, right? You know how I do. Gotta save them tips for stock, yeah. So we gotta cut them off. If you don't know how to cut them tips off, check it out. Just find the center of that joint, cut right through it, no problem. Every time, y'all, every time. Now, of course, you gotta rain on. Gotta handle it with a little salt. And this time, a little Tony Chachery. Now, you can use any kind of Cajun seasoning that you like, but I prefer Tony Chachery. And then after that, we're gonna simply get them into our sous vide bag. Now once in that bag, we're gonna go ahead and try to lay them as flat as we can get. Now, you really don't have to do this. I just do this because this is something that I do because I know the flatter you can get in the bag, the better. Because you can do it after you vacuum seal it down and push them flat. You know, save a step, save a step. But anyway, let's back it on down. Now once we get it backed on down, we gotta go ahead and get them to that sous vide machine. Now we gonna sous vide this at 150 for 2 hours. 2 hours, y'all. Now let's go ahead and work on our sauce. Now I like Crystal's hot sauce, me myself, but my wife like that Frank's. So it is pretty good on wings when you make a sauce. So I always make Frank's. And we're gonna have a half a cup of Frank's hot sauce. Now if you want to do the Crystals, feel free. You're doing my favorite. And then we're gonna add 1/3 of a cup of honey. Now I'm using the mason jar because we gonna put this in the sous vide machine too, y'all. Yes we are. Yes we are. Everything done right there, no problem. Now to that, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter. And about a tablespoon of mustard. Get our lid on and give it a quick shaky shake, y'all. Mixing everything together. And we're gonna get that in the sous vide with our chicken. Now after our 2 hours are up, we're gonna get our sauce out. And our chicken, of course. And now it's almost time for me to do my favorite thing. Torch that chicken, which really just torch any beef because I love using this torch, y'all. It's fun and it's easy and it's like, oh, it's time to eat, y'all. It's time to eat. So once we crisp that skin, so that's all we try to do here, y'all. Crisp that skin because the chicken is done. In a bowl that we have put our sauce in, we gonna get that chicken in that same bowl. Now you can use something a little bit bigger, that way you can make this process faster, but it's just me and wifey, y'all. We ain't doing nothing but 7 wings. So this is what I do. Now if we was having a party or something, I would definitely use something bigger so I can crank it out a little bit faster. But yeah, Look at them wings, y'all. Look at them wings. Don't they look good? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And I ain't gonna lie. Had to pour me a little sauce on the top. And hey, me and wifey tore these up. I enjoyed myself. Sous vide chicken wings. On point, y'all. And you can get that chicken skin as crispy as you want to with that torch. As crispy as you want to, and that meat inside is gonna stay nice, tender, and juicy. But anyway, y'all, love, peace, and keep it grilling. See ya.